Right, let's talk about ChatGPT tasks. You may or may not have heard of it. Seems like there's a lot of hype surrounding it, so I decided it's ChatGPT. I may as well check it out. But I am underwhelmed and struggling to find use cases. If you head over to chatgpt.com/tasks, this is the interface. Looks very much like the normal ChatGPT interface, but it doesn't have the box here immediately until you click try your own. But it does have some suggestions to test how it works. So you've got check for cheap flights to Tokyo, send me a daily horoscope each evening, check the next day's weather. So when you click try your own, just like the normal ChatGPT interface, you can tell it what to do. But the key thing here is you want to tell it something in a task format. So you want to tell it the thing you want it to do and the frequency of when you want it to do it. So if I just tell it to give me a list of something, it's just going to do that, and then that's the end of it. So you need to tell it, I am creating a YouTube channel about self-publishing on Amazon. Give me 5 new YouTube shorts ideas every day at 7 a.m. So if you don't tell it the time you want it to do the thing, so every day at 7 a.m., then it's just the same normal ChatGPT. It's just gonna give you, let's see, let me just do this. I'll take the whole thing first so I can do it again. So let's see. So yeah, it's just gonna give me the 5 and that's it. So your normal bog standard ChatGPT. But now let me go back and I'm gonna give it the same thing now with every day at 7 a.m. And now it's gonna go, look, now it's creating a task. Now it's gone into task mode. So it says, sure, I'll send you 5 new ideas every morning at 7. That's it. That's all tasks is. So if I click here, I can edit the task and pause it if I don't want it to keep doing this, and then view all tasks. So that task is saved. What it does now is turns on desktop notifications. So I will get a notification every day. Yep, sure. And then it wants me to do that and allow it. And that's it. Again, that's it. But now if I go back and I make a brand new task, give me a horoscope for Cancers every day at 8:30. Let's try and time it. 8:31 GMT PM. Yeah, let's do that. So it's currently 8:30. In a minute, I should get a notification with a horoscope. I'll provide a Cancer horoscope every day at 8:31 GMT PM. And then if we go over to view all tasks, we have our tasks. So all this is a ChatGPT AI-powered to-do list. An AI ChatGPT, a ChatGPT AI-powered to-do list. That's all it is. I don't know if this is, I mean, it is in beta, but I'm not understanding. I keep seeing people ranting and raving about it. I guess because it's a hot topic, and now I've pretty much joined the bandwagon to create this video, but I'm just waiting for this notification to come up, 8:30. Let's see if it's going to be on time. But that's all it is. It's just an AI to-do list, but nothing we can't create in Lovable. It's 8:31 and I've not had the notification yet. I've not had the notification at all. So I'm not sure. I'm not sure how this is supposed to yep. Let me edit it. Daily 8:31. starting from today, maybe. Save. Let's see if it's gonna do it. Yeah, nothing. Nothing at all. It might be a me thing, it might be my issue, but I am very, very underwhelmed. I'm gonna delete these now. I gave it my time zone and everything, so I have no idea. But that's all ChatGPT tasks are. Don't believe the hype. Everything isn't what it seems.
A few moments later.
So just as I stopped recording, I got this email from OpenAI saying, trust your gut today, Cancer. Cancer horoscope for today. I think that's it. I think that is the horoscope. Oh, okay. So it did send me the first one, and then I changed it to 8:32 and it sent me another one. Yeah. Yep, my initial thought still stands.